Welcome to Broadstairs and to the exhibition that I'm sharing this weekend with my dad. I'd like to show you some of the glass that I've been working on, and I'm actually wearing some now. This is a dragonfly necklace, and I've got my dangly earrings that I always wear. So here are a collection of dragonflies that I've made. This one is a firecracker dragonfly, and they all change colour in the light when you move them, so it looks like they're fluttering. And over here is a jellyfish panel that I've created, and I like to use a technique where I paint onto the glass on the second firing, which I think gives it a nice sense of movement. And this series of jellyfish inspired me to create some 4-metre high, very large jellyfish for an installation that I made earlier this summer. And over here are some new earrings that I've been creating. These are a citrus earring series. Got some grapefruits, limes, lemons, and over here is a mosaic that I've been working on with my dad. And he asked me to create a glass prawn, which I happily did. And this prawn is on a pedestal, and he's number 1, and he's the champion crustacean, and he's feeling very proud of himself. So yeah, thank you.